there is a break in the weather, so I decided to take the girls and grab some groceries. Everything in the shelves are gone, like all the bread, all the dairy, all the fruit, vegetables, the meat. Look guys, they're making a new Starbucks! It was rumored that that's what it was gonna be, but it really is.
Look at this pattern here.
It's Armageddon, but here we are shopping. Ah!
And then
We got this dress. Look how cute. And then we got this dress. Adorable. I really like the blue. It's giving snow. Okay. Christmas fruit snacks. Sorry. Ah! That's what I was for Halloween. I've never actually seen it in real life. I want a Fuggler. Yeah. Me and my dad are doing a little shopping in the blizzard. It's still blizzarding. This is a day later.